Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Zeus Myth Slot Paradise application. So this is basically an online game that is available on both Google Play Store and App Store, where you can earn money by playing game and doing simple tasks. Sounds pretty simple, right? So now let's dive in and find out if it actually a legit application or just a scam. So one major sort of green signal and good sign about this application is that it has 500k plus downloads on Google Play Store. So this is also a really good signal about this application. And apart from this application is also available on an App Store, and it has a 4.4 rating, which is based on 25 reviews. So this is also a really great signal, and you can even download this application on the APK Pure app site. So now let's dive in and look at the reviews of people. As you can see, the Slot Paradise Casino has 3.4 rating out of 5, which is only based on 2 reviews, so this is an average rating. So in conclusion, I would say, like, being downloaded by 100 and millions of people, I would say like this platform could not be a scam, but there is a possibility. So there is no harm in trying it out. Maybe you just can play a game for 1 or 2 days and then try to withdraw money. So if you're able to do so, you can move further on. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.